Hello everyone, my name is Karthik. I am from Sri Aurobindo Society. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome you all teachers for the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform ZIIEI. Today we are going to discuss about various innovative ideas and also we are going to discuss about the learning process of students with a very fun and interesting atmosphere. And now we are going to discuss about a chapter called Anandi's Rainbow. The chapter number is 18. This chapter is from NCERT syllabus, class 1, subject English. So how we are going to learn this chapter? We are going to learn this chapter with the help of an innovative idea called Who Am I? What are the innovations behind this innovative idea? Who am I? The innovations are playway method makes the teaching experience, makes the teaching process more engaging, and also this method enhances the thinking and analyzing capacity of students by forming questions to reach the conclusions. So these are the innovations behind this innovative idea. Who am I? What are the objectives of this innovative idea? The objective is to revise the concept of vocabularies, describing words, sight words, sentence formation, coding and decoding, and also naming words. So this is the objective of this innovative idea. How we are going to implement this idea? Before seeing the implementation process, let us see the pre-arrangements to implement this innovative idea. The pre-arrangements are picture cards from the lesson Anandi's Rainbow. That is, picture card of rainbow, picture card of leaves, water, lamp, window, and so on. And also double-sided tape. So these are the pre-requirements to implement the innovative idea. Now let us see the implementation process. Inform the students in the classroom that today we are going to learn the lesson by playing a game. What is the name of the game? The name of the game is Who Am I? Now ask a student who will come first to play the game. Every student will raise their hand. Now tell the student one can laugh loud will come first to play the game. So in this way, pick a student in the classroom and paste a picture card on his back and ask the student to stand facing the blackboard. Now ask the rest of the students to help that particular student who is having the picture card on his back to find out the name of the object in the picture card by narrating it, not by telling the exact name of the object in the picture card. For example, if there is a rainbow picture card made, the rest of the students can tell the student who is having the picture card on his back by telling 7 colors. It is up in the sky. Like that, they can help that particular student to find out the name of the object in the picture card. So in this way, continue the process till all the students complete this activity, till all the students find out the name of the object in the picture card. In this way, the implementation process goes on. So what are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea? The learning outcomes are the students can enhance their thinking and analyzing capacity by forming questions to reach the conclusions. The students can guess, can imagine, and can ask questions. The students can generate questions about vocabularies, naming words, sight words, and describing words. The students can identify sequence of events and characters in a story or in a poem. The students can able to express verbally, can ask questions about the sequence of events and characters in a story or in a poem. The student can respond comprehension questions in a story or in a poem. The students can draw or write words and write short sentences in a story or in a poem. The students can develop their core life skills such as effective thinking, creative thinking, effective communication and decision making. The student can collect records and interpret simple information. Even the poor learners and the children with disabilities can improve the learning process, can improve the learning skills with the help of this innovative idea, Who Am I? And finally, experiential learning takes the students from the abstract world to the real world. So these are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea. who am I? If you like this video, kindly like and share. Also, please subscribe Sri Aurobindo Society's YouTube channel ZIIEI. On another fine day, let us meet and discuss with another innovation. Until then, it's bye from Karthik. Thanks for watching.